to the channel. We're here at Eric's shop. We're going to be going over what tie rods I ordered and why I ordered them. Unfortunately, we're not going to be installing them today. I forgot a couple tools that I was supposed to bring, so we'll do that on Wednesday's video, which will be a different day. So stay tuned for that, but first let's go over who won the giveaway, that headlight giveaway. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram for your next chance to enter another giveaway in the future here soon. We hit that 50 subscriber mark, and I cannot thank you guys enough. The support has been absolutely outstanding. Remember, for this giveaway, you have to have been subscribed to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and like that post. So we're going to go ahead and spin this random wheel for all the people that were entered to win the giveaway, and you'll be receiving a message from me. Jones 6.666. Congratulations to Jones 6.666. You will be getting a message from me on Instagram, and I hope you're subscribed so you can get yourself a set of those headlights. Now, I can't thank all you guys enough. This support has been outstanding. For my first month and a half to hit 50 subscribers is absolutely mind-blowing, and I'm very thankful for every last one of you guys. And the giveaways, this isn't something that's going to be every single month, but I am going to do it for you guys every now and then. It's coming out of my own pocket. I'm not getting paid on YouTube. I'm not getting paid by sponsors. This is just something that I'm doing for you guys to show support and appreciation for everyone that follows me. And I'm excited for the journey we're about to take and to see where this channel goes. So let's go ahead and take a look at these tie rods. If you haven't upgraded your tie rods, I'm going to put a link in the description below for these bad boys, because I'm about as impressed as it gets. Now, I know Kryptonite runs supposedly the industry right now in tie rods, but after receiving these and holding them in person, I do not understand why PPE does not have a consistent name in our industry on the forums at all. Because for comparison, we have this wonderful, beautiful, nice can of Kroil. If you don't have Kroil, you need to use it. Stop using WD-40, stop using PB blasters, and get yourself some Kroil, because it's the best. Again, not sponsored. I mean, it'd be kind of nice, but great product along with these tie rods. So just for some comparison, that's the size difference. Now, like I said, when we take the old ones off, I'm gonna put side by side for you. I'll probably post a picture on my Instagram. So like I said before, follow me on Instagram. If you have not already, go ahead and do that, because then you'll be able to see the products that I get beforehand. I will also leave link in Diesel's description below. That way you can, if you have anything other than tie rods, they have everything you absolutely need. So go ahead and check them out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram, newly on TikTok, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.